Alright, moment of truth. Moment of truth. New power cable. Zenith Presentation Series monitor. I don't know who's yelling. Here we go. Oh, it's on. Yeah, I hear it. Yeah, buddy. Oh, that's the VGA input. It's all crazy looking. Alright, well, it works. Another moment of truth. We have the Dreamcast, GDMU modded, running VGA. Okay. It actually works. Now, it's really hard. I'm outside, so it's really hard to get a good image. But it's very interesting. Typically, if this was 480i, this image would be jumping, and it's a little bit hard to tell, but it's not jumping at all. I mean, it does look like 480p. It's very interesting. I don't know. I'm gonna try and fire up a game, see what it looks like. Focus. So it's definitely progressive scan. It's definitely progressive scan. I thought that based on the documentation and the Reddit threads and discussions that I had seen, that this would take the 480p signal from anything and downscale it to 480i, and it is most certainly not interlaced. Nothing is jumping. I mean, it looks awesome. It's really crisp, and I haven't messed with anything yet, but it seems like it's running in a widescreen format. I'm sure I just need to go through the menu and change some things, but I mean, you can tell it's not filling out the whole screen, and it's running in 16:9. Man, I am stoked. There's definitely some potential here, because even if I'm not able to get this thing to actually run in 4:3, it is 100% running in progressive scan. And it ain't 240p, so it has to be 480 or something. I mean, I don't know. The native resolution from the service manual says 800 by 600 is the native resolution. So I don't really know. It even says when you hook up the PC, to set the PC to 800 by 600, if I'm not mistaken. But I don't know, man. This is cool though. This is really cool. I think this TV's probably gonna have to be a keeper for sure. Because if I were to sell it, I would have to get a flipper price for it, and I'm just not doing that. You know. Alright, well, I guess I'm going to get this thing inside. I'll finish getting the dust off of it. There's still plenty of cleanup to do on this thing. I dusted out the inside of it as good as I could, as well as I could. I don't know what that is. This was in a school, so that's probably gum or taffy, you know, or something. Daytona. Yeah, I'm stoked. This is awesome. There you go.